Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Hold on, I've got to turn this over there because it's all gray and disgusting out. Today I'm here to unbox my Beautylish lucky bag for 2025, I guess. As soon as I ordered mine this year, I thought, no. The Natasha Denona Xenon palette came out this year, and that's probably going to be in this box, and I don't want that palette. But I have watched quite a few lucky bag unboxings, and I haven't seen that yet, so I'm hopeful. So we are going to, where's the tape here? Slice it open and see what it is. The box is $75, and then you have to pay tax and shipping. I know a lot of people count that into the cost of the box, which, yes, you do have to pay for those things, but there's no way to get around paying for those things. Unfortunately, we have to pay tax and shipping. I don't count that as part of the box, but the value is supposed to be at least $150 for the $75 box, and then if you get the XL, it's $150. The value is supposed to be $300. It has a lovely poster. You are one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. I do want to try to reach my hand in and pull things out a little at a time. Black paper and then bubble wrap. So I gotta find the opening in bubble wrap. This is, the first thing is from a brand called Jupiter, which I'd never heard of until I watched a couple other unboxings. This is the Renewing Scalp Moisturizer, Heals and Hydrates. A rich, fragrance-free daily moisturizer that delivers long-lasting hydration to help heal dry scalp and protects your scalp's moisture barrier. Apply directly to damp or dry scalp daily and gently massage with fingertips. Do not rinse off. So that's very interesting. Actually, it's 2 degrees here today when I'm filming this, so it might be a little bit frozen. Looks like it's a kind of a gel consistency. I don't know if that's the consistency it's supposed to be because, like I said, it's 2 degrees here. It might be a little bit frozen. I'll put the prices of everything on the screen because obviously I have no idea right now. Look at this. I feel a brush. Ooh, what is this? Oh gosh. Oh, this is a Sonia G brush. I've never seen a Sonia G brush like this. This is beautiful. The Sonia G brushes are very nice. They're very expensive. This is called T3, and on the label it says Kumano. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that correctly. I don't know if that's this type of brush, but it's very soft. This is an interesting shaped brush, but the handle is, it kind of feels like plastic, but it looks like wood grain. It's a beautiful brush. Would I've ever purchased this? No, because I'm sure it's like $50 for this single brush. What is this? Okay, there's always something from Good Molecules in here. Good Molecules is an in-house brand of Beautylish, so there's always something from Good Molecules. I've liked a lot of the Good Molecules products I've tried. I think I've liked everything that I've tried from the brand, so I'm never mad to get it. This is a lightweight daily moisturizer. I've actually never tried this. Everything is, if it's not frozen, it's slushy feeling, you know? If you saw my beauty inventory, which went up Monday, I'm gonna post this as a bonus video. Lucky you, you get 3 videos from me this week. Hashtag blessed, am I right? This is sealed. I'm not gonna open this yet because I'm not anywhere close to needing to open a new moisturizer. I have a lot of moisturizers in my inventory, so this is something I might pass on to someone just because it's going to sit for a while, and I don't want it to necessarily go bad. I do feel a palette. I'm gonna save that. This is the, ooh, this is fun. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil, and I have the color Lilac Quartz. Let me open this. I've not seen anyone get any of these things in here, so that excites me, but it also does make me a little worried. Like, am I going to be the person that gets the Natasha Denona Xenon palette? Because I remember briefly when these came out, but I don't think I've ever seen a single thing about them. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's okay. It looks white, but it is, wow, it's really cool. It's not super creamy. This is definitely something that I'm gonna want to probably use pretty quickly, but I will use it because I love a colored eyeliner. There's like a little tab with directions, so I've never seen that. Maybe I should read the directions. Not usually a direction reader, but there's the first time for everything. I'm pretty excited about that. I love the color. Multi-chrome, high intensity, smudge proof, waterproof. And then, like I said, this is the color Lilac Quartz. I love lilacs. Okay. We get 5 things. Oh, there's one more. What is this? That's bigger. Okay, this is something from Hindash, a brand that I've never tried before. This is the Manifesto Call Me Peaches Ultra Matte. I almost said ice cream. Lipstick? I don't know why I said ice cream. Call Me Peaches makes me feel like it's gonna be super nude, and yes it is. But it looks like a really pretty matte. I love a matte lipstick. I'm not a big, and it smells pretty good too. I'm not a big bullet lipstick wearer, so this is something I might also pass on or save for a giveaway or something. I'm not gonna swatch it yet. But a nude lip especially is not my thing. It's so funny because the most common products seem to be either a nude lip or like a bright red lip. And I'm like in the middle, like give me a mauve, you know? All right, I think the last thing in here. All right, we're gonna see what is this? Oh, okay, I thought it was the My Dream, which is a palette I got last year. This is the Natasha Denona I Need a Warm palette. This doesn't really excite me that much, but listen, I'm gonna be honest, Natasha Denona doesn't really excite me in general. Yet I keep buying the Beautylish Lucky Bag every year. I do see the appeal of this palette for people. I'm sure that there's nothing wrong with it. I will say, I see that there's at least one of those cream to matte shades. I detest those. I detest those. But this is a pretty neutral palette. I was kind of hoping for the Roxa because I saw people getting that. So maybe I'll see if someone wants to swap. Because I'm more purple than neutrals, you know? But it is pretty. And it's not the Xenon palette, which I was fully expecting. That was everything. I think this was a pretty good box. I think I forgot to say in the beginning, sometimes they, several people each year also get an extra lucky box, so they get like an extra bonus thing in here that's like a really high value. Clearly I did not get that, but I'm pleased with this. I will either use everything or maybe try to swap for something. I'm very fine with this box. I'm just really relieved I didn't get the Xenon palette because I totally forgot when I went to order it, and then as soon as I clicked place order I went, no, I forgot about the Xenon palette. But anyway, I think this one, I don't know when Natasha Denona releases things. I feel like she releases a lot of things. Like the Roxa palette is fairly new and people were getting that in the bag. So did this come out this year? Or in 2024? I feel like yes. Let me add the value of everything. Hold this. The Jupiter Scalp Moisturizer is $35. That seems like I would never pay $35 for this, but I'm also very cheap. The Sonia G brush, this is it's called Traditions T3, is $40. Okay. The Good Molecules Daily Lightweight Moisturizer is $12. Good Molecules is I would say very affordably priced skincare brand. The Hindash Call Me Peaches Ultra Matte Lipstick is $30. The Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil is $22. And then the Natasha Denona I Need a Warm is $68. So the retail value of everything in my box is $208. Beautylish sell higher end things. So I think that's why this is such a fun box, because you're getting higher end things that I personally, you see what I buy. I'm like a drugstore discount deal type of person. So I think that's part of the allure of the Lucky Bag for me, is I know I'm getting maybe higher end brands that I wouldn't normally purchase. So I feel really okay with this box. I'm not over the moon, but I'm not disappointed, which, you know, it's a mystery box. You kind of have to go into it knowing you might not love every single thing in the box. That's very normal to not love everything in a box. You know, they're not making this box for you. They're getting rid of things. So I'm not disappointed. If you got a lucky box, I would love to know what you got in your box. If you are one of the people that's searching lucky box videos and trying to watch all of them, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of makeup and nail polish content, empties. I'm starting to get into project pans, things like that. I would love to have you. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in my next video on